Have you ever wondered why some problems seem so tangled, almost like a knotted necklace that defies untangling? Understanding the root causes of issues can sometimes feel just as perplexing. But what if there was a tool that could lay out the complexities of a problem as clearly as a map lays out the geography of a new city? Enter the cause and effect diagram, also known as the fishbone diagram, a method that helps break down the reasons behind a problem into manageable, clear segments. This powerful tool was invented by Kaoru Ishikawa in the 1960s, and it has been untangling the knotted problems of industries ever since. Consider the case of a mid-sized manufacturing company facing a significant drop in product quality. The stakes were high, with customer satisfaction plummeting and the looming threat of lost contracts. The quality control team stood before a mystery. What was causing the increase in defective products? The team began by laying out a cause and effect diagram. At the head of the diagram, they placed the problem: increased product defects. From there, they branched out into major categories that could influence quality. These categories included materials, methods, machines, people, measurement, and environment. Under each category, the team drilled down further. For materials, issues like substandard raw material and incorrect material used were identified. Under machines, they found outdated equipment and lack of regular maintenance. This process continued, with each branch growing denser with potential causes. Armed with this diagram, the team could then prioritize investigations and corrective actions based on which branches showed the densest clusters of issues. It turned out that a significant factor was indeed outdated equipment, leading to a focused investment in new machinery and a scheduled maintenance routine. The results? A dramatic decrease in defective products, a boost in customer satisfaction, and a team more confident in their problem-solving capabilities. In summary, the cause and effect diagram provided a clear and structured way to dissect the problem, allowing the team to focus on the most impactful issues. It's a testament to the power of visual tools in problem-solving, offering a bird's-eye view of what might otherwise remain a perplexing problem. So, whether you're dealing with a drop in quality, a personal project, or even organizing a community event, remember the cause and effect diagram. It just might be the tool you need to see the wood for the trees, turning chaotic challenges into structured solutions.